Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to introduce my air fryer tandoori chicken skewers recipe, which I made using my rotisserie feature in my air fryer oven. So my air fryer oven has a rapid air circulation technology which ensures that the chicken is evenly cooked, resulting in a golden brown exterior while maintaining the succulence and tenderness of the meat. I also made some 2-ingredient naan in my air fryer oven, so watch out for that recipe which is coming soon. These succulent skewers are marinated in a fragrant blend of aromatic spices. They are cooked to perfection in the air fryer, resulting in tender and flavorful chicken. I started by adding some natural yogurt into a bowl. I then added all of the ingredients that you can see on the screen. I then mixed all them ingredients together and added some olive oil. My simple marinade is now done. I then went ahead and added in the chicken and gave that a good mix. I then went ahead and cut up some mixed peppers and some onions. I marinated this in the same marinade. Once I finished prepping the marinade and the vegetables, I started assembling the skewers like so. So this doesn't really have to be cooked on a rotisserie. You can use this recipe and cook it in a normal oven. Before cooking this in the air fryer, I let it marinate for about 2 hours. So it's now time to cook the tandoori chicken. So I've placed this into my air fryer oven. I've used the rotisserie feature and I've cooked it for 20 minutes on 180°C. And just in 20 minutes the chicken skewers were fully cooked through and ready to serve. The details of this amazing air fryer oven are in the description down below, so make sure you check that out later. So as you can see, I put some foil on the drip tray, so there were no cleaning needed to be done. And there we have it, quick and easy tandoori air fried chicken. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys, till next time.